In this tutorial we will learn how to position or calibrate a servo motor. This is often useful in robotics where we need to center a servo motor to a certain position before mounting it.
For this project you will need a servo motor, potentiometer, OLED display, jumper wires, breadboard, Arduino and Visuino software.
Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software.
Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add, multiply analog by value, component. Add, OLED, component. Add, servo, component. Select, multiply by value 1, and in the properties set value to 180. Double-click on the Display OLED 1, and in the Elements window, drag, draw text, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 2 and text to Servo. Drag, draw text, to the left side and in the Properties window set Y to 20 and text to degree. Drag, text field, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 2x to 40 and Y to 20. Drag, draw text, to the left side and in the Properties window set text to value, and Y to 40. Drag, text field, to the left side and in the Properties window set size to 2, x to 40 and Y to 40. Close the Elements window. Connect Arduino analog pin 0 out to Servo 1 pin in. Connect Arduino analog pin 0 out to Display OLED 1, text field 2 pin in. Connect Arduino analog pin 0 out to Multiply by value 1 pin in. Connect Multiply by value 1 pin out to Display OLED 1, text field 1 pin in. Connect Servo 1 pin out to Arduino digital pin 7. Connect Display OLED 1 pin I2C out to Arduino I2C in. On the bottom click on the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right board and port and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.